This is the deadliest bird in the world. Meet the cassowaries, the ancient avian royalty that has graced the rainforest for millions of years. Explore their unique features and the vital role they play in the delicate balance of their lush habitats. Step into the secretive world of cassowary kingdoms. Witness their daily lives, from foraging for fruits to engaging in courtship rituals, and understand their crucial contribution to rainforest ecosystems. Decipher the cassowary code, from their striking appearance to their powerful legs and helmet-like caskets. Explore the intricate adaptations that make them perfectly suited for their rainforest domains. Beyond their majestic presence, cassowaries are the unsung heroes of the biodiversity. Discover how they contribute to rainforest diversity by dispersing seeds and playing a vital role in the regeneration of their lush habitats. Cassowaries are equipped with powerful legs and sharp claws, and they actually can cause seriously and deadly harm to anyone who crosses their path in a bad way. As the tropics face threats, so do the guardians within. Delve into the challenges confronting cassowaries, from habitat loss to the increasing risk of vehicle strikes and human-wildlife conflict. Learn about conservation efforts aimed at protecting these remarkable birds and their rainforest homes. As we conclude the Cassowary Chronicles, may the echoes of the rainforest linger. Let their story inspire a shared commitment to preserve the ancient guardians of our planet's most vital and diverse ecosystems. Thank you for joining us on this enchanting journey through Cassowary Chronicles. May the majestic presence of cassowaries continue to grace the rainforest for generations to come. Please don't forget to subscribe and like, and let me know which animal you want me to talk about next. Thank you.